Happy Sunday, data people. So I'm continuing my series on tools that help you manage your Power BI footprint. And today we're going to do Dax Optimizer. I've never used this, so you're going to watch me step through it and talk through my thoughts on it and how to use it. This is going to be pretty raw though, so take it easy on the comments. So let's get started. So I have their webpage open right here. So essentially, I'm using the free version. It's lightweight, anonymous. I'm just kind of going through the web page. So Dax Optimizer Basic is the free version of Dax Optimizer. It offers a lightweight analysis of your semantic model to quickly highlight potential issues and opportunities. So this sounds perfect. So we can check out our semantic model. So let's get this downloaded and get set up with this. Let me see. So we'll do the free access here. Okay, so as your power one-step sign up. I'm in the US. Okay, I'll have to take that out of there. I'm just saving that and I'm gonna blur that out on the video once we get started with that or once I share it. Okay, so we're gonna import. So copy the query below. You'll run it in the Power BI to generate model data. So we're gonna copy that. Oh, okay, so then we get a quick video on this, 14 seconds. Very helpful. This is, uh, okay, so I'm gonna run it there, paste results here. Okay, so let me get a model. I'm gonna do a very basic model though, so um, probably gonna be a lot of issues with it. These are just test models I have on my website or on my service here. I gotta get better models for these videos, but they help me do what I do. Okay, so we'll do this one. Let me filter this so I can see it. Put this up. We'll do, I'm just downloading this file so then I can run that query in there. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna try this. I'm gonna do this and I think I should be able to run it here too. So I'm doing this actually in the service. I think I should be able to do this. We'll run that. Entire table. And then if I go back here, paste the query results here. I'm not gonna do the model name. So now that's going through those results and it's gonna probably tell me I'm thinking what I can optimize in the model. So that's really cool. Okay, so this is gonna take a few minutes to run. While that's running, oh, okay, so no, no issues. This is a very simple model. I wish I would have got some issues in here and we could see what there was wrong with it. But this is cool though. Let me see if I'm gonna try a different model actually. See if I can find some stuff that might need some help. We'll go to sales, go here. Let's try this again. Oh, that's my output. Go back here. Let's try. How can I start over on this? Delete. Yeah, we'll go like this. So we'll delete that. So we're going back home and I'm doing that again. Okay, so we're going to copy this query. I'm going to try this model now. Run that. I'm going to put the query in a window up here in case I need that again. So we can copy this and then I can go back here. Next, paste the query here. And let's see if we get anything wrong with it. But what I was going to say is, so I have this app myself. I know I'm kind of splitting this up. Um, there's a lot of back and forth with that, being able to check models like that. Okay, so good. This is building the basic analysis. Okay, so this does have some things that it could potentially optimize here. Um, visible issues only. Okay, so then if I wanted more information on this, I would have to upgrade. I'm not going to upgrade on this. But I think something like this is really cool. The thing that I have with these is the one-to-one, and I love the ability to do this. I love the ability to work with models. But if when I think about my Power BI footprint, I think about the entire footprint and how to analyze it, not one at a time, so I can rank all of my models at once. And I was kind of going into, I was going to just bring up this app I'm building here, not necessarily uh, um, uh, to say to preach on this, but the concept of this app though is looking across your entire tenant, what you own within your tenant. So if you have three workspaces that you are the admin, you get access to those three workspaces. But what this does is it loops through all of the tenant, like your data sets, and gives you information on that. So how I could picture maybe this working really well is pairing uh, what I'm doing here is I'm actually looping through all of my Power Query information, and essentially it gives me access to all of my Power Query uh, stuff, and then I can search through every model and see what's going into those models. This would pair extremely well with this tool where the evaluate query that Marco and company has you, I could loop through every model, run that, and have that easily accessible so that I could quickly paste and use it with this model. So it's taking that one-to-one and kind of expanding it so it's not just limited to the one model. I can look at all models. I love concepts like that. When I think of the Power BI footprint, that's kind of what I'm looking for those tools. So really good tool. I'm guessing if you got into the maybe the full version of this, that opens the door for more concepts like that. But cool tool. It's fixing issues and solving those. That's what's needed to keep your workspace clean, your models clean because they can sprawl very quickly, and this definitely helps with that. So again, this is Dax Optimizer. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm gonna be trying to do a lot more about this type of content, workspace footprint, Power BI footprint, like what are the tools out there that help you manage it, and just giving my thoughts on that and concepts like that. So hope everybody enjoyed this and have a great day, everybody. Talk to you later. Bye.